Hello students, today we are going to start our first prose, and that is The Child, and it is written by Premchand. So in this part we are going to learn the summary of this lesson, this prose. Now listen carefully. Gangu is the story of an illiterate Brahmin. Illiterate, it means uneducated. Uneducated, it means the person cannot read or write. So this is the story of a person whose name is Gangu, and that person belongs to Brahman caste. But even though that person belongs to the Brahman caste, that person was illiterate, uneducated. That person was not educated. Who is serving with the narrator, and this person, Gangu, was serving with the narrator, it means with the writer, Premchand. One day he shocks his owner when he disclose it means make known. Discloses that he wants to marry a notorious, it means infamous. Notorious, it means infamous. It means the person who is not very famous, infamous woman from the widow's home. So one day Gangu told his owner that he is going to marry with a lady who lives in widow's home. Widow's home, it is a place where widow woman lives. Widow, it means the lady whose husband is dead. That lady, that woman is called widow. So Gangu wanted to marry a woman who was very infamous. She was not very famous, she was infamous in something. So what is that thing? She has a very bad reputation of leaving her husband after every marriage. So this lady did marriages with many men. But after marrying with that person, she didn't stay for a long time with that person. After few days, few months, she ran away from his home. And this kind of reputation the lady had, and with that kind of lady, Gangu wanted to marry. The narrator tried to avoid such dangerous steps, but Gangu is firm on marrying Gomti. And the name of that lady is Gomti. And narrator told Gangu that you should not marry with that lady because she is very infamous. She is having bad reputation of leaving her husband. But Gangu was not ready to listen his owner or the writer. And he had a firm, very strong decision. He made his decision that I am going to marry with Gomti. The narrator cannot understand the effect of such decisions, hence he waited patiently for the outcome. So, when Gangu denied every advice given by the narrator. The narrator stopped giving his advice to Gangu, and just a narrator wanted to see what is going to happen next. So patiently, very calmly, very silently, he was just awaiting what is going to happen next. A few days everything goes on smoothly, but one day Gomti too, as usual, runs away from Gangu. So after marrying with Gomti, their family was running very well for few days, but after few days, Gomti did as usual she was doing in the past. She left Gangu and ran away from his home, and she went somewhere else. Gangu is shocked and broken man, but has firm faith in Gomti. And when Gangu understood that his wife Gomti left him and he is alone now, so that time his heart was broken. He was very sad at that time, but he had faith on himself that he will definitely go and find her and again start to live with her. Gangu is shocked and broken man, but has firm faith in Gomti. She was pregnant and Gangu was not the father of this child. And when he met that lady Gomti, she was pregnant, but Gangu was not father of that baby. He is able to trace Gomti. Trace, it means find with marks. Trace Gomti. So somehow after few days, Gangu found Gomti somewhere, is able to confirm his high moral value and faith, and in this way Gangu was able to show everyone that he had a very high moral value and he had a very high faith on himself. The narrator accepts the superior value and sense of sacrifice on the part of Gangu, and willingly it means ready to do something by own will. Will, it means desire, our wish. So finally the writer accepts that Gangu had a very superior value and sense of sacrifice, and that part was very important in the life of Gangu. And the writer willingly want to pay a visit to the couple, and finally when this couple Gangu and Gomti started to live again with each other, that time narrator wanted to go and meet that couple once in a life again. So in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.